Hi there. Some of you are having this problem in Visual Studio, and it pretty much prevents you from continuing on with your project. So I wanted to show you how to fix it. Some of you know already, but some of you don't, or either weren't there or didn't hear me when I didn't understand when I went over it in class. So let me show you what the problem is and how to fix it. Okay, so basically what goes on is you're modifying your code, and then either intentionally or unintentionally you delete an event handler in the code editor. All right, so you've deleted this event handler, then you go back into design view to do something, and this appears, and you can no longer see the GUI of your project. Well, it's pretty easy to fix. All you need to do is go right here where it says instances of this error 1, and then it'll say like 1 dot form1 designer.cs line 112 column 1. All right, so you want to click on that. Okay, this code window should come up, and this code goes on behind the scenes. It's generated for you when you are using the design view in Visual C Sharp, because it's possible to write a program without using the design view, but you would have to add all these specialized lines of code to make all of the controls on your form. Fortunately, you don't have to. However, when you delete an event handler, you run into this problem. So it takes you to a line of code that has a yellow light bulb. Okay, and what you want to do is just delete that line of code. So highlight it and then just hit backspace. Okay, and now go back to the design view and you're back in business. Okay, so make sure that you recognize this problem and you know how to fix it. It's pretty simple to fix, and I don't want it holding people up on their projects or them getting hung up at this spot. All right, we will talk to you later. Hope all's going well. Cheers.